Say yummy, Hannah Rose? Mmm. Oh, some to Dada? Yay! There's Hannah's birthday cake. It's so yummy. You're such a nice girl. Mmm. Take a bite.
Did you get that?
Yes. Mmm. Oh, a little piece for Dada. Good girl. Yummy.
Do you want more?
Want to take a bite?
You want more cake?
Here, try this piece. Take a bite from this piece. Here.
Let me see that.
That looks like something I want. Oh my gosh. She's so funny.
She's not going to go to bed hungry tonight.
No.
She might have a bellyache. You want some water?
No. How funny is she?
She is messy. You want some of this?
Yay, Hannah, you're eating like such a nice girl. Can you share with Daddy? Give Daddy a bite. Mmm. Yummy, Dada. That's a good piece. Hannah, is your cake yummy? Yes? Is it a yummy cake? Uh-oh. Is it yummy? Do you like that? She's looking for frosting. She's looking for frosting. What a stink pot. Hi, honey. Whose birthday is it? This is entirely too funny.
Is that good? It's too enjoyable for you to even stop.
She's so fast. She can't get it in her mouth fast enough. Breathe, Hannah. Take a deep breath. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Oh, Dada get some? You're so sweet.
Now, how do you plan on getting her up to? How do you plan on getting her up to upstairs to the bathtub?
I might bring the duck down here. Her mouth is so full. Look at those cheeks.
Choo choo.
How's your cake? Yummy? No.
I'm going to take the tray.
Yeah, we're done.